Hello, guys. Okay, I'm seeing you guys. Yes, I wanted to just as much like is the video not working. Yes, it's working. Hello, guys, my people. You guys are not sleeping. It's weekend. Yes, I have this talk in my mouth and I want to let it out. I want to let it out this evening before I sleep because hi, darling. Hello. Because yes, sometimes I greet you, my love. Sometimes I like to be they talk my mouth. I'll put a stamp, bam, which is trademark. Say read my lips. This is how I said it. And call me day, night, afternoon. I will get up and I will defend the talk that I say with my mouth. You know, sometimes when you write, people read your comment and they read it wrongly, just like what we saw this evening, you know, or sometimes even you that commented it, one word will be missing. And by so doing, people will read it and don't really get what you were trying to say. There is nothing like words with your mouth, then you are responsible for it. And me, I love to be responsible with the words of my mouth. I will be responsible for it. Call me night and day for the words of my mouth, and I will stand up to defend what I said. If you click on this video, you will see that what I wrote on it. I said knowing when to stop is knowing your self-worth. Many people don't know their self-worth at all. When they are making trouble, they make sure that they make trouble until their kingdom come. It's when you don't know your self-worth. Because even the parable say, Ewana agbokana jona oma se Ewana lelaha. Bona rijena Ewana na lelaha oma se Ewana agbokana je. Because it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Ewana agbokana je. It's not worth it. More days ahead, or master. Anything you are doing, know your self-worth. What am I saying here again? It's about those single mother issue I talked about. Single mother issue that I talked about on Lolo video. I said it, I'm going to say it again. If you don't know where you stand on your single mother issue, now you sabi. But after today, try to know what kind of a single mother are you. Knowing your self-worth, yes. What kind of a single mother, which category do you belong to? There are so many different types of single mothers. You now comparing yourself to wayward single mother. There are wayward single mothers, useless single mothers. While there are classic, there are confidence single mothers that know their worth, single mothers with value, single mothers that have reason, single mother with mandate. You know, you don't group them together. I'm going to break it small this evening. There are some single mothers, they are made single mother because they are widow. Those people is nature. Those people is something they could help. They cannot help. They couldn't help themselves. It's not their fault. So those people being a widow, you can be a widow with one child. You can be a widow with 4 children. Then you want to remarry again. You know what you are doing, because it's no stupidity that make you to become your single mother position in the first place. Okay, so you know what you are doing. Okay, then some single mothers are people that were once married. It go tell you say, me they fit put money for my head. We do marriage, we do this, they carry dance, My papa and my mama know husband where I born for. Family to family, you guys were good until something happen, which is bound to happen. It can happen as far as we are human beings. Nothing is permanent except God. So it is bound to happen, but that does not mean it happens to everybody. So if it now happens to you, it's not a problem. But how you carry on from there is what will define you. Do you understand? That's single mother with 4 children, 3 children, 1 child, 2 children for 1 man. And they were married before. The marriage come scatter. The marriage didn't work. They now divorce themselves, and the woman, normally, the women will go with children. So that woman now, single mother now. She said that one's still different. The way that woman will carry herself after that is different from the 3rd grade of single mother. The 3rd grade of single mothers are those ones, they were never married, but at the same time also, they born for 1 man. They were never married. At the end of the day, the relationship did not work. So they move on. Those ones, when they are carrying themselves to another relationship, they also have level of how they go because they were never useless. It's also a situation. A relationship they thought, but it did not go far that make them a single mother. After this 3rd grade, from the 4th grade, you now see people I call single mother by mistake. They are never too worse though. It is called by mistake because mistakes are bound to correct us. By mistake, we will know better. By mistake, you will know the irony of life. By mistake, you correct a lot of things. By mistake, your eye will be open. You understand? So it's not that bad. These are the people with like 2 children with 2 boyfriends. You understand? 2 children with 2 men. That is 2 children, 2 fathers. That one I call the mistake because the first one, it can just be say, you think say the boy love you, or you think say he be one stay, he give you belle, you can't born her. It just be like that, So you need to go for another relationship, which is okay. Then you went again, something else, something story, something reason again happen, bam. It don't happen. You are now left with 2 children, 2 fathers. That I call single mother by mistake. Then the next level is single mother by stupidity. Because the moment first thing happened to you, second thing happened to you, the 3rd one, it's not even supposed to happen, not to talk or say, we are one. Now the second one, you say one. The first one happened because you were a novice, you were ignorant. The second one, my sister, you not be novice, but it happened. But if the 3rd one can't happen again, you are now a single mother by stupidity. Meaning the reasons and what make you to become single mother by a first one, you carry on to second one, now you are in the 3rd one. Meaning your head not even correct from the one of the first one. Because if your head correct, you should at least correct the 3rd one. Either the 3rd one will come just to be a boyfriend until you really see that, oh, it's so different from the first and the second mistake. It's totally different. You sure you have been with him for a very long time. You just want to okay, let me just have 1 child more. And you know that he's going to stay with you. You know that you're going to use him to correct your error, your mistakes, in the back. You cannot go into a third relationship just to get pregnant again when you already have 2 children to father. Eh? That person you can't come out. Gallant for waiting. I beg, shut up your mouth. Just shut up your mouth there. What kind of gallant is that? That is gallant in the dustbin. Abba. In as much as nobody pays, nobody has rent. There are some credits. There are some class you package for yourself. After house rent, people need to get some class, some grades, some degrees, some dignity, whether they add join their life. People wey born for different men, you want make them kill themselves. I beg my lady, forget this stuff. You no get right to condemn nobody. You see you now. Who are they condemn now? I'm just defining and telling you grade by grade. The more you keep telling them that they should not go and kill themselves, which I'm not even saying. But at the same time, I beg, if you really want this respect so much, why can't you earn it for yourself? After all, they say respect is earned. You don't just get it like that. If you want, my lady, if you really love these people so much, make them not kill themselves, why can't you educate them so that they know how to carry themselves, so that they will not be robbing the moon? Why are they rubbishing themselves and want everybody to bow for them? For what? My lady, if you want maximum respect, I bet plan your life nature by nature, and God will help you for the rest. Don't plan your life anyhow, zigzag, nyama. You come outside, you say, respect me, and because not be me doing. No, na me doing for you. Na me open your leg for the first man when no marry you. Na me open your leg for the second man when no marry you, because you no get head. Because who marriage head, now it dey your mind. Then you should wait to get the disrespect that comes with it. Don't you know that every action have repercussion? Don't you know that? Anything you plan in this life is two ways. Do you want respect or disrespect? You cannot be disrespecting in your action. Things you do, you don't even care. You don't think of tomorrow. But when they are talking, you want to comment. That's the reason why I'm angry this evening. Like this type of your comment now. That, wait till you can't say, more go die. Then when I'm talking, you get behind me first. Don't shine yourself on my front. Do you understand me? Because I don't send you markets. Okay? You are big enough to arrange your life, to know when to stop. You are big enough to know that I need to correct my mistake. You can't tell other people to love me like that. When your mistake is all over you, you keep doing it, and you want your friends, your people to keep loving you. It's not done that way. There are some mistakes that reduce you. Ladies know that. Okay? Now some men still be. Some men, at least men still get percentage more than women. Men still get 10 women wey don't give belle. You go still see one woman wey go carry and put for it. Go still go marry the woman self. You understand? But men woman don't born for four husbands, even 3 husbands self. It's a tag. Why do you want such tag for yourself, and you still want people to bow down for you? You have given yourself such tag, and you don't want pastor to preach about you. You have given yourself such tag, and you want to get deaconess in the church because you are paying money. It's not possible. There are just some few things you don't do to yourself. Don't do it. First child, second child is a mistake. It can happen to even the smartest woman on earth. But third, I beg, third is not a mistake anymore. It just shows that, and you prove that you are stupid. Something is wrong with your head. First one, it can be mistake. Second one can also be, mistake. You didn't know that this one is coming like this again. But the third one, you have to close your leg. After all, you don't get 2 children. I mean, the one carry one, keep follow you. The third one, the fourth one. Now the one make you rich. If you make mistake, correct it. And every mistake is like a crack in the wall. It gives mark. And correcting that mark that cleaning it can never really be clean. There is a trace will always be there. But even that trace, don't let it show too much. You going ahead to have the third one for the third man. And you are saying people should don't talk again. You want me to go kill myself. If you want to kill yourself, go kill yourself. If you come my front. If you want to go kill yourself, make sure say you kill yourself. Me, I am a single mother with 3 kids with 1 father. You are different. I've already explained it stage by stage. Whether you were married or you were not married, you are different. But now, my sister, if you want follow man now, children not be your problem again. So try to follow man wey go allow you to date. Imagine person wey don't get 3 children. If they want to date another man, na belle be the first thing wey they will carry. I'm pregnant. He no marry you again. No plan. I never even friend reach 3 months. You are pregnant again. Badala. After 3 children, 3 fathers. Even you now will be 3 children for 1 man. When dating again, please try and date and stop involving another new child in a new relationship. We black need to stop it. It's not good. You need to know when to have. I've had my enough children. Then I'm going to look for a man we can together companionship. It's very allowed. Every relationship must not be tagged, must not involve children. Must not involve children. How many of these children, even mama children, they even love each other when they finally grow up? Causing wahala everywhere. Not to talk of 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. What's that? What happiness will you get? You won't even get happiness later. Because when they start to fight, when the blood of this one father begin to grow inside this one, the blood of Baded of this one begin to grow inside this one, you yourself, we born them will not be happy. They turn themselves to chicken that lay egg for new boyfriend. They just see boyfriend today, the next year are pregnant. You go born one, this one go wrong. Tomorrow you go come again, I'm pregnant. You go born one, that one go wrong. You can't get 5 children. You get four men or 5 children, 5 men. You can't talk say, Monica beg, no talk. I'm not talking to you. If I'm even advising single mother, I am not advising you. You wait there. You wait there. The only advice I have for you is when next you are dating a man, please close your leg. I beg. No bring pikin to this world again. No be only you one. I get pikin we never come. Let people we never born see pikin. No share and finish for this one surname. Only you one go they carry 5 children. One surname na Robosa. The other one surname na Inye. The other one, sorry, I just made sure my lady name. The other one surname na Sony. The other one surname na Enekpe. The other one surname na Michael. The other one surname na Endurance. You know the shame. More talk true. My sister, how una dey feel? Una will be like that. Because una know they see who they put onto una face. That's why una dey gallant for Facebook. Go hide your face. Hide your face. I beg, I beg, I beg, I beg. You know the shame for such rubbish. 5 children bearing different 5 surnames. Not only you, now you find pass. If you even find, you go respect yourself. Please, we should learn to date and cover our leg. You can have sex, you can enjoy yourself, but let no child be involved in any relationship. Okay? No, my sister, you can go ahead and have fun. Why not? Your relationship didn't work or your marriage didn't work after 3 children. You don't have to kill yourself. You don't have to kill yourself. It's not your fault. It happened, you know. But your next relationship, please keep child out of it. Don't involve, I must born for this man. I beg. Get respect. Know when to give yourself self-respect. Please. Because these days for Europe, many men they cry, say women they use pikin till they tie them down. Before you just sleep with them, just like what we had this evening now. Before you sleep with them, they don't get belly. Why? Wetin that one mean? Una no get respect for una sef. Eh? Una dey get respect for una sef. Na by I born for 5 men. Dem dey use am take give person post for which country? Please, ladies, don't let anybody tell you, they are mocking single mothers. If anybody tell you like that, but first of all, you check yourself. What kind of a single mother am I? If you are a single mother that went to marriage before and your marriage did not work, tell them, not be you that they talk to. Now, born one, because you be princess. He say whose fault? For me, it's the women's fault. Okay? You can date without pregnant. Because many of these women, you can date without pregnancy. Many of these women, the men, no, they even tell them, say, get belle for me. We know hear one just now. And go and watch that video on my YouTube page where I said how to cut again after a broken relationship. You guys know how to cut again. How can you be seeing man for the first time? You guys are sleeping for the first time, and you guys are doing unprotected sex for the first time. Europe women. Now, don't body to the smell. Chai. Imagine. For the first time you are seeing a man, and the next thing you are telling a man, I am pregnant. For the first time, meaning you didn't use condom. You just, because now your plan be that. You know? So please, at least that one will do that one. It never felt born for anybody. So it's okay. All the children are bearing their mother's name. It's very shameful. That's why you go see Europe women. They go take picture with their children. You go they wonder whether na church member children join your own. You no go know which one be your own, because now you born all of them. This one do it like a papa head. The other one do it like a papa head. The other one do it like a papa head. And all papa na different heads now they get. It's very bad. Some Europe women, yes, my lady. Now some Europe women become now Europe women. Europe woman, Mr. B. I know they do. I don't follow them do that Ifinyewo. Now Ifinyewo now they call them. People will say the wives where now the mumu pass at the end. And the mumu pass. Me, I don't encourage abusive marriage. It's not good. Either for the men, for the women, I don't encourage it, because some women can be so abusive. Like what we saw this evening. That woman is abusing that man emotionally. You understand? And I don't like it. I don't like man or woman being abused. But even at that, that does not mean that you will not tell me, the first man, they beat me. What of the second man? The second man, they beat me. The third man beat me. Must you born for all of them? You born 2 children for 2 men, never reach you for life. If they buy those children for market, you go fit buy one. You go fit buy one. They go say we are not the same. Yes. If they hear where you talk single mother matter, now they will fair claim and say, if they talk to us, I bet Mona not they follow that they claim am again. You were born for 1 man. You did different from person were born for 3 men. May I tell you, una brain not they work the same way, because any woman wey brain they work well. Even if you don't mistakenly born one pikin, never. If you never see another man wey go carry and go altar, make you really know say that man good. They don't date for some time. The man don't they do everything where the first man don't do. Some women, they don't agree may even do the ordinary body. Why some today you see and today now you go open and why go say I don't feel born one now that one will make you come they produce like chicken, produce with different kind of chicken we carry you. It's not good. Let's stop it. Not only Europe women, we are everywhere in the world. We have seen women here in our country. Okay. So women, please stop it wherever you are in this world. Please. stop it. Stop giving children to your boyfriend. If you have 100 boyfriends in your lifetime, stop giving them one pikin. Abeg. Put respect, dignity to your fine lap, your fine waist. Woman go fine, they go carry 3 children, they waka with different men. I know they call those ones fine. They call what be this rubbish? Absolutely rubbish. As you find rich, see what you produce out of your fine lap, your gallants. I beg. Those kind of people, you go, say their mama still born for different men. That one, I no can know. Before, now so we be the talker. But this Europe, it don't spoil many things. Before for Africa, if you see girl wey born for 2 men or 3, you will know say na so a mama be, their family be. But these days, me I don't see many people wey be say one girl dey that time where I know. This lady, a mama born 11 children for only their papa. Even their papa go outside because a mama born guess. Go they look for woman, they go, yet this woman no go, they there. But do you know, out of that 10 girls, the mama can finally born one boy. Out of those 11 children, so among those 10 girls, all of them, one just dey, he born for that one we they call am one all nation. One wey dey, he born for Hausa man for Ring Road, he born for Delta man, he born for Ekwalema, he born for Amushima, he born for. I say why your sister always dey born for every tribe wey dey Nigeria? He say because he go say if he dey friend he go say na Hausa man come good now. Hausa man dey love person, Hausa man good o. Before you know it, don carry belle. If he born finish, men don rule. Because many men they be wan enjoy una kpekus, they no want pikin. You understand? Make una they know that one. If you be single mother, be wise. Many men come for your kpeku. They did not come for you to give them another of your single mother. You understand? They don't want me you make them baby father again. I beg. So men, if they see single mother we don't get 2, 3 children for different men, for their mind they just want to enjoy your sweet tomatoes. They are not ready to stay there. I'm telling you, they are not ready. So you wey mumu finish, wey stupid finish, wey no know your worth, you will give the ordinary body, they will pour her inside. The next thing you say you get belle, pure ogbata to where you lewe. Meme no nihi, no ya dwe kie the fourth. Na me go and born the 4th child. God forbid. You know, then they make all of them end up no one stand. The men, no one go come and come say, I want to come claim my pikin. You get one woman for Germany where they say, all the men, they know they call their children. How can a man hate a wife and not say hate wife kini? How can a man hate a baby mama and also hate the children? My sister, he no hate your children. He no just want to associate with your bunch of different papa. You understand? The one where you born for her also, he no one make it come be say, if he just think he dey pain as I ain't take go put a banana for inside your own way, be say today now is now tied down say you born for her. I dey tell you the truth. Some men hate that thing with passion. If they, so I don't see man where they run for single mother. If you say that woman a single mother, you don't get wife, go now go say no, all this single mother now who they want born one pikin for the look for. Can you imagine the way they see una finish? He go say now who they want born one pikin for now that they look for. Before you just touch single mother, they will just say they don't get belly. I say really? He say it's a single mother, God forbid. How they do them with ordinary body? Kai, that day man, I try say God. I don't know whether all these people don't get head, sha. See what people they talk about them. If not me, I'll correct my error. You understand? Yes. He said no, if you do single mother with ordinary body because single mother now they want get. He said na belle be their problem. Those women, the moment you go with them, the next thing na belle. Say one say I just sleep with one. He say imagine I see am for party, I collect her number. The following night I start to dey kpokpo this woman, wan come to you. Na so he say okay, if my children don go school on Monday, make you come. Na so he come, he do. He say before they see body again, this woman don dey follow am dey make joke. Be like say I get belle o. Be like say that thing wey you do that. He say he come tell am say abeg, if you really get belle, I'll give you 1,000 euro. Abeg go do abortion. Because you see me so, with that one wey you don fair born, me I no wan born inside there again. Abeg my sister, abeg. I just be say me I play with you. I no know say your body dey work. Your body dey work well well o. He na goalkeeper o. He na good goalkeeper. This man say he beg this lady, beg. The woman come even dey say okay, bring the 1,000 come. I'll think about it. He come tell am say if I give you 1,000, you no do am. Wetin I go do you if you ever say na me get this pikin? E go too much. I will hire killer now take you. He say na so he threaten the woman say this your other children wey dey here. I'll kill all of una. Na so the woman run. Pio. He go do belle. He come say goodbye, bye. God forbid. I no want. Yes. Okay, I no too know about from, but you see Germany. Hey. Germany, oh, I no come know wetin dey happen for German women. Oh, I need to go there ask people wetin dey happen for German women. I no understand where those type of women for grow. My God, you just see German woman, 28 years old, you already dey go with 3 children, 3 father. Wetin dey cause am for their body? Na paper abi na wetin? I no understand. Don dey push, and if you see the way they take dey born follow pikin with another man, the thing dey tire me o. Pikin no dey reach 2 years, another man don give them belle. Before for Africa, single mother wey we know, your first pikin some go even dey 12 years before you come friend boy, you come say okay, the man serious, you wan born for am. But these days, single mother for Germany, if he pikin dey a year and 4 months, he don get belle for another man. If that second one dey another 9 months, he don get belle for another third man. Wagbere ìwọ ye Germany wàlá ọ ọ̀nàrí má. Ìjàmà wagbere ìwọ wàlá wòwò ọ̀nàrí má. Mẹ́rin ni go ní a pay nu wà bíbá náà pay rẹ̀ wọ̀ wé. Mẹ́rin ni go na pay nu wà. Wàlá wagbere ìwọ ẹni ni go ní wà gbìnà jẹ́ dẹ́dẹ́ gbé. Ẹni ni go àdìgbọ́ àgbìnà yọ. Where hono gbina you go a Sweden. Then you get Sweden gbina. So why go no go and tap it? Sweden. Then they pay the highest. If you want born for children, really they hungry, you go Sweden now. Go born for them, make they pay. You don't hear one day say Sweden women they come cry for social media. The money for Germany not big. It's not big. Wait till na call the queue na self for. Because they pay every month. All I know they pay you every month. But if they give you, they give you. If they give you, go belleful you. Eke na ya touch one pot. They use all your pay rub una mat for children money. Una not the let person hear word. Go check am. Jama all now which one pay better money pass for children. All land they have view, no view. If you want to see single mother, come here, come do single mother. You go nearly die. Now all land supposed to the key, supposed to they say, man, go, we don't want you again. Because if you be single mother, you're gawking, agidigba God. What is wrong with you guys? Oh yeah, where they say they rub on a mat for them. You no go hear what they give because they pay her every month. Now all year, now they say they rub on a mat. Now so I talk all year. Make them for so na shop. People where they shop, they know they hear them for their mouth. People where they give big children money, they know they hear them for their mouth. Okay, sweet, they don't stop now, but don't change now. As of when I hear of sweet that time, it big. And every month. Maybe our people don't steal food there, they don't still reduce them. You understand? So may German women muna pack well with all this una rob big children money. wey dey make una dey born 5 children 5 husband, una no get shame. All year dey take dey rub una mouth, the money wey reach to chop, e no reach, una for no dey fight put. Imagine you get 5 children, yan wole go mu your obo gbum. You no go dey fight put na. When the money no reach, if you send to your mama inside, e don finish. Then they make you and una husband dey fight put. Na only una dey pay money for Europe. You know how many Europe country dey pay money? Go Belgium here, Belgium wey not too big. Go and see the way Belgium dey pay money. Belgium dey pay money. You go be single mother for Belgium, you go even fit buy house. Can you imagine the opportunity they give to single mother in that country? And yet you never hear one Belgian woman they come cry for social media. If you Germany wala wagberen iwo, I know say country wey una dey come for, they don dey give una before at all. That be the madness wey dey happen there. It's no good. Muna let am get breakdown. Emi and obungbe dey there. Don't too much. Children money. They want just die put. People they no guess one stay husband again. They need different father. Whether maybe for Germany, the more you have different father, the more you have money. You know our people now. Anything where they say money dey. Be like UK now, where if you get one pikin where they sick, you don't better. That's why UK women, many of them go dey chop medicine to get handicap, so that their life go better. Our people, they are like that. Be like say for Germany, if you no born all your children for one man, e be like say their money dey big. Because I no see why e be say na German people come get the highest stupid single mothers wey be 3 fathers 3 children, 4 fathers 4 children. It's too much. German women, please, let's respect ourselves for once. That man wey dey cry that day, they take my children, they take my child, they hide my wife. Na Germany man. Una no dey imitate other country. Whether they still say France don corrupt now, no corrupt. At least nobody, no husband and wife don cry come from France. No husband and wife don cry come from Holland. No husband and wife don cry come from Belgium. Una no go imitate people. Wetin una own come become something now. I don't know why they fool themselves. Abi una think say Holland no dey receive money. Una sit down, pack well. Una sit down, una pack well. German and Holland, which one first start single mother? Na Holland, because Holland has always been a woman country. Always. Now we dey get king after more than 50 years ago. Now we just get man again we be king. More than 50 years, women have been ruling. Women. Country where women they rule. Now know wetin they do for women now. Yeah, I swear. As German woman, Holland woman may tell you wetin they pay for children. He go say I don't know. Go I mean no me kwe magbe. Who wanna work bebe na Germany, oh you go here say na every month that they pay na 100 that they pay. That one na money. Na money compared to wetin that they pay other people. And now go una no go school. For una to go school, me I really talk this story. Somebody called me yesterday. He say, good evening, ma. He get problem. He want to talk to me. Nah, it's okay. Talk. Whether I believe say which go fit the worry person for Europe. I say me no even believe say which the worry person for Africa self. Now poverty the worry person. But tell me your story first. We'll see whether which really get hand for your problem. You understand? So that they use carry the children money go they do party. No mind them. Really not true. You really see from January to December. Now German you go see party. Now competition for them now. Even person we just be 1 year marriage, you want do anniversary. Jama people, I work madoma mu de no mu adeseki. Ababababababababa. Waga igbabe 10 years unu wari u. Naomi wari mu wege ni. I'm always 20 years. Now they see UK people, that 20 years, 25 years, 40 years of marriage, 50 years, that they do. Now German, now you they see person we already get 5 children. You want to do dedication, go say the whole world must complete 10 gele, different type of gele, competition, useless life. And if you ask that woman, what do they do? At the single mother, they take care of children. Foul. Now be foul. Now carry last later. Now they wash. That women, they build their life. They do something good. That's one German women. They're not plenty. Only few now be working class, gallant people. The rest, ask them their profession is single mother. They can't turn single mother to profession. One of my Burundi friends go say, Monica, please, I don't understand you guys, Nigeria people. Is single mother a profession? I asked one Nigeria girl, what do you do for a living? She said, I'm a single mother. I say, oh! Oh, my Nigerian people don't keep Percy. Percy ask you, what do you do for a living? He say, I'm a single mother. The girl come, they ask me, Monica, is single mother a profession? I say, in Germany, it's a profession now, eh? And when you even have more fathers, more children, you are being respected. When you do party, the party will be big. Shameless women. So, now this girl say, whether I believe, say, which the worry person for abroad. Now, say, I don't even believe for Africa. You understand? For me, Africa, na poverty. Because people will be big men there. My father was there in Africa, which no killer. Why? He get money to take do anything we want do. But I see poor people where they always say which they worry them. So for me, I feel na poverty. Now they worry them. But if you say so, you tell me your story. So that I'll feel know whether which they worry you. Then she say, na her mother bring her come. And that her mother will bring her come now. Now still be the wish where they worry her. Now say, really, how your mother can't they worry you? You they stay with her? He say no. How old are you? She's 28 years. Okay, where wish they worry? He say things not the better for her life. Anything where she put hand, he know they work. Any man where she follow, they must go leave her. Nothing they work for her. She just tired. That's okay. Now your mother wish. Now he come they drive all these men. Now he make you know, even make them for life. He say yes, okay. This making where we they talk. What type of making? You be the builders for Africa. He say us. I don't get what they use that they do. Not be us. Okay. I say you be get fast job, permanent job. He say I never ever work since we I come this country. I say how many years don't come? Where your mama don't bring come? He say 13 years. And they go 13 years now. I say okay. The nursing school where you be go, they don't give you result. He said, I know even sabi speak language safe. I know if I go school, mama problem never make me go school. Now say your mama problem never tell me. What you can they do with yourself? She said she get 3 children for different men. I be the wish way mama they worry her now. None of the men stay. Now every day she go wake up, take the children to school, come back again. Her mother will come call her. She will come they talk to her. Now that one she just they use herself they do. I say I know where your mother wish day. If she really get wish where she they worry. I say just see yourself. You are not useful to yourself. The only thing you know how to do is to open leg buy for any man wey come. Now when no man want come fuck you with 3 children because una no know say na there una they give una say bad luck. You born one. When those men know say na one you born ogbata to where you let they don't want. Then you not come still give them again. I say now that one, your character, all your manners wey you don't they do, you are not useful to yourself. You are useless to yourself. You are not helping yourself, but yet you dey look for wish. Sit down there. Make your mama they worry. as e be say you no get wetin you dey do with your life, even language school you no learn, and you are being Germany now, your mama na bring you come, they give you paper the day wey you come, you no go Aduro camp. You no fit go learn language, you no fit go school. I say, my sister, if you dey work, your mother go call you. She say no. If you dey work, your mother go dey discuss with you, use wish take dey discuss with you. She say no. If you dey school, your mother go call you. He say no. I say, oh yeah. If you really want, make you know, say your mother no get wish, go and make use of yourself and stop sitting at home every day and be waiting for 3 children, single mother money. And come they talk, say, wish they worry me. Na mama wish. Person wey bring you come from Africa, I wish say na so she dey sit down for us every day. She for not fit bring you come. You understand? So people, I beg, make good use of yourself and stop saying you have wish. I brought wish go say make they not put money for your account. If they don't put money for your account, you use and take drink beer. Wetin come consign wish for there? They put money for your account, you use and take buy ticket for boyfriend wey dey Italy, make e come go you. Wetin come consign wish for there? No be you use your money wey they give you by yourself. They give you money finish, you send am to Spain, make they come via you. No be you. Wish dey there. Wish not dey there. I beg, make una dey useful to una self. Go and learn language school. Go to language school. Go and learn the language. It's very helpful. Oh my God. When you hear what these white people are saying in the bus, you can read and write. It's very helpful to live in their community. You can't stay inside every day and be talking to your mother on the phone and you want progress in your life. You are still in the same circle. If you really want to break that circle, you need to go and do something different you have never in your life ventured to do before. Like going back to school, don't have time to be communicating with your mother who do first live video, who never come live video today, who know they come live video again, and who they come live video. Those are not it. Please. Live video always they dey YouTube. If you don't meet am when they do, if you reach YouTube later, when you dey cook, put earphone for ear. You go still listening to her. Don't be say you just sit down for her because you don't want to miss any live video. What rubbish is that? That's absolutely rubbish. And you just dey born here. Sit down for her, they chat for Facebook, they look for new boyfriend. My sister, if you get busy with yourself, trust me, that your kpeko wey they always bring water, it go dry. Woman wey dey busy, no dey get time to dey only anyhow like that. Only for waiting, only fire. Character needs to be changed. She now sheep and shawo. How can a responsible woman born in different places, the worst comes to the worst? The man, they bad. Manage born for one. Hey, now that one they talk since. You know, you are right. Thank you, my darling. You are right. If you born one, born two, na mistake. I hear you. I beg my sister, cover your leg. 2 children, they okay. Don't go they born 3 children for the 3rd man. Now born. They say they get good relationship. Please. You understand? Go and learn language. Yeah, they don't speak the language. If you tell people to go language school, it go be like say you want kill them. But I don't know whether they don't know. Say you need language is like a class. How person go farm, you no carry a class. What do you want to work? You come a country where they don't speak English. They have language that they speak. It's like a tool for you to work in that country. If you don't have it, what do you want to work? Typing and sucking? What do you want work? I shall work forever. I shall work for Facebook. If they give you money, take shop, you use and buy ticket, make person come they fuck you for inside house every now and then. That one do finish, don't go. Another one go come from Spain. Now so some single mother they do one for Germany for there. In Spain they go, Italy go come. Italy men, may una still put respect for una self. Una not they let them they use una anyhow. No story of a single mother without Italy men on board. We need to dey respect ourselves. Let's know when to add value what to ourselves. Please, in as much as many Idare dey follow Italy, but still tell yourself, say, I'm going to be Idare with class, Idare with a different. You understand? No be say anywhere wey useless women wey don spend 18 years for abroad, 20 years for abroad, men don use their kpeku throway. Na 3 children with 3 fathers dem dey carry dey go. Na you dem come say come dey sponsor, come dey manage this our ovia. You go really enter road from Italy. You dey come. If you come finish, you just do am. E no go let you sleep. E go say go back to Italy again. Abeg Italy men, make una still add value to una sef. Spain men, abeg, you no dey ever hear say German woman go say my boyfriend is from Holland. It's very rare. Say my boyfriend is from Belgium, very rare. But their boyfriend is always from Italy. Their boyfriend is always from Spain. Poor. Which kind of those kind of country be that? I don't understand. If you see which man give you your first child, Italy. Which man give you your second child, Barcelona. Which man give you your third child, Madrid. Your fourth child, Torino. Why make country of me? It's no good. No good. And anybody wey dey my Facebook wey just know say in a single mother with 5 fathers, and this thing wey I dey talk so, e dey vex you. Know wetin you go do? Add value to yourself. Block me. Self-respect is what we need on Facebook these days. Add respect to yourself and say, I don't want to see Monica again. Baka! It's finished. You don't need to go and be crying up and down. You cry, you don't come on here for my body. But if you tell yourself you want to change, these words where they talk today, oh God, they don't understand, really miss it. But you can correct it. And God is there to take you through. You can still correct it by closing your leg now. Don't let no basis happen. No wait until they block your belly before you can say, okay, I'm not born again. Please. Torino. Now so many children for Germany, their father is from Torino. Their father is from Milan. Their father is from Barcelona, from Madrid, from Palma de Mallorca. Now those fathers, if German want really look for DNA, if he go to Torino, he will find so many DNA in Torino. You understand? He will find so many DNA in Barcelona. Please. You not have value. It's not good. It's not good. Don't be saying until they'll come sew you or they'll come band you to bone before you will come start to the bone. If they not band you for bone, go bone 10. Who was jare? It's not good. If you hear this my talk and you fall in this group, you know be fair no, but it don't happen. Everybody not be the same. That's why you na special. Okay? Tell yourself you are going to correct it because you are a special among women. You are the special one. You understand? Just correct it by locking your leg right now. Tell yourself, no man born of a woman will ever drop that and no for inside my belly will go germinate. Never. Say they no go ever germinate again. Carry yourself, go block and go and do spiral. The friend boy. You know, ever see where woman, you get one woman we call Lolo that time. You say the friend one Origbo, they tell us, I will marry you, I love you, come and have baby for me. He said, but she don't put spirit, he no go fit born. He just they play Origbo. Those one they be smart women. Not be gallant for face. Gallant for clothes. If you see brain for ground, be like pangolo. Waiting tomatoes no dey again. E no good. Make you to go do spiral. They play me 419. You understand? They play me for one night. Me go say, I love you. I love you. I'm going to pregnant you. I'm going to give you pregnancy. I'm going to give you baby. You're going to have 10 children for me. You'll say yes. Meanwhile, you know, say you block this thing. This thing on the work. That's how you play. You just tell some women, say, I love you. All the children where they your belly. Now me you go born am for. Before you know, you don't open and make the sperm go enter your brain so that pikin go come. The men are lie. Ask your mother, ask your senior sisters, ask other people. That word may they use now so they do 419. They just want me you open and yagbada. May they do and well. You understand? Because they know say that kind of thing. Eh, some women they bring water come for their body. If you tell them say, how the children with they your belly, and me you go born for. Go they sweet them. They before one night. Many men they use until they carry give people belly up and down. Go give for here, go give for there. Go ask people. You understand? We all are women. Call some of your friends. Ask them. Say this way since where you grow. Man don't ever tell you. He go tell you. Me. He never even be sleep with you. Now only toasting. Don't already they use that one. They toast. They say you too fine. All this as your body fine. So now so I'll tell you put picking for everywhere. Just make sure say you Colombian. You understand? Just enjoy and may you let them be like that. Don't go the my people, eh? Person will get good ear. They know say I know the best, I know the hater. Hi darling.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
None of they sleep Facebook people. Eh?
No.
Facebook family, none of they sleep.
No.
Now they sleep, I they treat my face.
No,
Fine
they
girls,
sleep.
no pimples.
Mm-hmm.
I'm washing
Yeah.
my face. Facebook family,
Mm.
you guys are feeling excited. Your president is back on board.
I bet they do.
Oh, they do whoa there. Because you know they remove makeup for your ass, not be so.
Mm-hmm.
Whether you put pepper where they do whoa. Now my face they make you do whoa. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
You know, come out weak for your head, and now they come out for your own head, not be so.
Oh, somebody say that they drink folic acid so that pregnancy go quick enter. Hey, my God. And
All
women
those
be so
single mothers, you
worthless.
know, say
How can
all
they
the
be so
babati where they this
worthless?
planet. Now their hand that they see them. Again, one of my beloved sister, that one, Igbo man be one con user. You know what she do the Igbo man? She get her lock up for inside. She not tell the man. That one they rap her. I go give you baby.
Mm.
If they carry children, they go school, they carry them, they come back. I love your children. The girl said this one. See, Igbo man, we want use me. He don't know himself. When she come meet me now, he say, Mama, this man see how they behave. She even come investigate, catch the guy, say the guy they play 419. The guy get 2 children, they deny children with everything where
Yes,
they in
so now
body.
we can.
You understand? Me, I know they sleep
Mm-hmm.
because now weekend. You know? Then the guy saying come observe. He said the guy get 2 children, but the guy they lie. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
The guy they lie, and then the guy begin happy, say thank God he carrying something for himself. You
Mm-hmm.
understand? Until they inside the guy no know. And so the first thing where those men they do now, all your body na picking like you talk. I go give you
Okay. Are you
picking.
meaning you still know about her? I talk and I say, me they go ask other women. Just ask.
Yes, now.
See,
The guy
men.
said the
If they
Igbo
say
man, they
this
tell
your
him, say,
body,
your
na
job born
piki
for me.
piki full of lie. What they chop your Congo, good one.
Yes,
You
now.
need to be wise.
The guy
Wise
said the man,
women.
the Igbo guy, now what did they tell him that we go born together, we go born together, we go.
Eh,
Nah. He even got the
not so
form, they
good.
carry her children, they go school. This one, a lady will get 3 children already. Thank God for one
Oh,
man. You understand?
oh,
3 children for one man, and she gets. Thank God for her life. She said when
yes,
she heard that video, when I make the other time, say, go and close that thing. Enjoy
yes.
cassava. In fact, if you want to enjoy cassava when you close up, me I tell you how you take
Hmm.
do it. Put your head
Well,
for ground. Carry your two leg up. Enjoy to the
Exactly.
maximum. Happen the
Zemo.
nothing.
Happen the
Yeah.
nothing.
Happen the nothing. But say you no close am, you do papa and mama style, go catch you, bankan. You don't carry pikin. You
They'll come they
understand?
say, now one time, no, not same
Eh.
time they say they carry pikin, not same time. Not
You
be
never
one
see
time, you
some
must
men.
do time.
Okay, get one video where they my this year. I'll go find the video comment. The guy say, oh, every now and then me why they can't hear it.
What way me what is the time?
Man, with me, I swear, if you look by here soon, baby, where you go living when no we, man, now.
Exactly. I beg.
So,
Single mothers, will be
too
3
much.
children, 3 fathers. Please, please, don't be counting yourself.
Call me on my number.
Like,
when I see you be this one, make me call you for your number. Guys, take
no,
it easy.
they use yourself. They compare bonbon people, bonbon women. We born one. You get respect. At least you born all your children for one man.
Of course.
Something can't happen, no problem. Go do family planning. Don't be bonbon that say they get man. You will come to enjoy yourself.
Not at
After
all.
you don't born your children, you go do family planning. You come to enjoy yourself with boyfriend where you get. You don't need to get another man. Come born your number 4 children. Most you born number 4.
God forbid.
Most you born number 4. Most you born in a relationship. Please, guys, you guys should know that now.
Any man will come their
way.
Any man will come their way. Now picking the day to a kada. Kada, my boyfriend.
Kada.
I'm on no. I'm on to a kada. Yeah, we careful. Your moya to a kada, get bele kada.
Like so.
Oh, yeah, we care when you want to get near when you get down. Yeah, why I'm recording we kada. Anyway,
I tell you now, Mr. Gabriel. He say he do single mother. The next thing never even reach 1 month. The man say, I beg my people. That time we in the Africa, women na 1 month plus, even 6 weeks, they'll say no, say they get belly. He say, but this lady, I just sleep with her, never even reach 2 weeks. You don't they say he get belly. Now so Monica, now so they come say they.
The man come they ask you whether na so they get belly.
Hey, Mr. Gabriel, he say, my sister, now so women come say they get belly these days. He say, I don't know. Because that time for
Africa, that positive. You need a relationship. Go to platform where they do hookup. I don't do hookup. Okay?
You say I've been 2 weeks women come say they get belly. Now say if na single mother 3 days. If you do them 3 days, they don't get belly. He say really? Why? I said because they be single mother. He was really surprised. You understand? He can't do it like you mean it? I said, yeah. You don't know. You go to single mother on Sunday. By Wednesday,
she's pregnant.
To get pregnancy result. Yes. She's pregnant. They start to say you. That's the way you do. If you like, I don't get belly. Yesterday, for me, just the ugly. For 3 days, single mother don't be for me. Oh God. My God.
Imagine. Make them receive sense. They're not the good they receive sense. So if they chop a kia that they use pikin, they do kada. Kada, thank you. Thank you. The tea was delicious.
First one is a mistake. It's very, very it's true. Second one is a mistake. Yes, it can happen. Third one is not a mistake. You are stupid and accept it. You are
third
fool.
one.
You are stupid. You are not smart. You not receive
single mother by stupidity. Yes, so.
Now one touch transmitting. You know, every men go one touch transmitting and transmission.
First man fuck up and you come marry another man. You know, it's born for what if he say what if the first man fuck up and you come marry another man, you know fit born for him. Then carry the one where you born before, carry follow body, they enjoy yourself, they go now. If the man truly marry you, he no go care, my sister. Yeah.
Exactly.
If the man truly love you, at least you bring one come.
I get one lady for Facebook, This lady, no be say she use mistake take born o. She say when she dey Africa, her boyfriend, they even be one married sef, but the boy wan travel. I must go abroad, I must go abroad. His sister can't do paper for am. The boy wan travel. So the boy come say make dem go do introduction. He say so her senior sister come say no. Man wey wan go abroad, you no know when e dey come. Why you go do introduction for your head? No need. You don get belle, you don get belle. Leave am like that. So na so the man take go. She come born. After she come born, the man don't really fit come back because no paper. After 5 years or so, her sister come still carry the lady, the girl, come abroad. The girl come dey abroad here. She say all her years for abroad, she dey look for serious relationship, person wey no go turn am to baby mama. At least she don already get one wey be like say na baby mama. Because if she no talk how e take happen, she no marry and she get pikin, you understand? So she no want make that error continue. She come dey look for man wey go marry her. You understand? He say, but all men wey in dey see na the one go say, first born will marry later. The girl come say no. Today, she is fine with one child. The girl don big. She is fine, and now she have a relationship. Man wey don also divorce. You understand? The man get 3 children with another woman, and she get 1. So they enjoy themselves now without child. Why can't our guests? And now the lady can't even go. This man now, 2 of them come marry. Then make and come they talk her story. So, assuming she be don't first born for one boy that time, you think say this man go marry her, Lolo?
No,
never.
No go marry.
This man no go marry you. Woman wey don born 2 children, 2 father. Now you want come marry and wey she no go even feel born for you again.
What you want to can do? No need to take and do nothing. But now they know they understand. You know the problem is say they will associate with those their friends where they tell them say, you need to go. Some of them go say go carry some of the men back. Some go say, you need to born. Or you just stay like that. Some of them are so lazy and dafty. Once government say when they come go school, the next thing they'll go carry belle. If government say they must go school, some go just run go carry belle, any load, any bangolo, you just put them for me. Na pikin I want. Just for them to say, they sick, I no fit go school.
It says some women will go eat folic acid, make the thing quick enter. Just because they don't want to go school. And school, I dey talk and just now, especially language. Please, language is like a tool when you go to farm. You cannot go to farm without the instrument you want to use in working. When you come to Europe where they know they speak English, you need to learn the language because you go to need it. Even the single mother, you need it to communicate with your children's teacher.
No, me they no go. No need.
You go there, you go, they look like fool.
Like you said, they go say me you call the respect, they no be their fault. Monica, na your photo. Monica. Na your photo.
Me, okay, I see the
so when they do jungle over, now you dey not their leg. Now you dey not their leg for them. Now you tell they say baby cassava they sweet.
If they say I not talk that day I not talking. I say this baby cassava thing where we they talk about. It's not for young girls or all this single mother. Maybe you go the la letiere. You know.
Now Monica Cosa, Monica said they are for.
I know say make them no enjoy, make them go lock their leg. They must not do one cassava bomb put, 2 cassava bomb put, 3 cassava bomb put.
They do cassava, they tweakada. Language course has really helped me a lot. I read and write letter by myself. Bio, my darling, you na one of a kind now. This one one lady will say, guy, I don't feel picking for you. May you did your end, me I did your end. Chris. Shy cigar. I know they carry. And they keep. If you want to carry picking from hand, you do and wear. Shy cigar.
They talk and make
that baby no WhatsApp. He say, guy, oh your side.
Yeah, we are tiny 200 euro.
Yeah, that your tiny, that your lead 200 euro.
I lean 200 euro, we lean like Pashoko. Eee.
He said, guy, what did they give person? That your lean. Now don't see where money they leave before.
I
Babe, that
try
guy say, guy, your
you.
money lean. You know, reach me bad hair. You know, reach me bad cream. How much more? I can't tell you, say, I want to use Zan. Because of that, and carry picking buffer. You know, it's me to carry picking 9 months. Come born, I
Oh
can't care
my
for her.
God. Mm.
You get
You
out of
can
my
turn you
sight.
to single mother before you know.
Eh?
Thank
This
God.
one, a guy where
Forget.
treat babe. When I heard the story, the guy treat the babe, give am belle. When the babe
Forget.
get to know
Really
in the
get
process, she Ben Johnson go kick the pikin out straight. Tell to
Quick.
God, say, God forgive me, but keep am first at the come. Now they hear.
Exactly.
But some mumu where they that Germany.
Listen, na my
They
pikin
go even
Amanda.
call they ask you say, Mama, but
Don't
what
tell
you
burn your
go do
pikin. You
now?
see burn your pikin. You burn your pikin for the
Anna,
first one. You burn your pikin for the second one. You burn your pikin for the third one.
some go
Ija.
call you, come they ask you
Amuwa.
say, Mama, what you go do now? Doctor say, if I remove her, I no go born again. My sister, you don't already get 2 for 2 different papa. And doctor see they tell you, say, if you remove her, you no go
Never
born
reach.
again. What do you want born again?
Ask me. E no reach. 2 no reach.
The 2 where you
No
get
be,
for 2 different
no
papa,
be
never reach
person
you
get
now.
one where they happy.
No.
Person get one, she they happy.
They get 2 papa, you know reach. The doctor say they remove the third
Oh,
one for
they
different
must
papa,
get
say they no go born
four,
again.
papa. Hey. Eh?
They'll call you, they ask you, Mama, but what you make her do? My dear, all of them don't come in, they know now. Straight to abortion clinic. Abortion is not the best, but trust me, to avoid that error of a lifetime, get rid of it, my dear. Get rid of it. Abortion is not the best. Abortion is not the best. I'm not encouraging anybody to do it. But if you are stupid to have sex without protection, go get rid of it. Especially when the man tell you in capital letter that he's not interested.
Especially when you are already 2 baby father.
Yes, as well.
Please, quick,
2
run.
pikin, 2 papa. You can't see carry belle for Idare. You dey talk Idare just now. I felt tell na that day. Idare then get plans for their belle. No Idare they come for Nigeria. No matter what they don't hear, say Ashawo money easy to chop for abroad. No one ready to come follow Idare. No one ready to come carry single mother with 3 children. No one. No matter what you think, they go only come chop your bolo.
No be that one we see that day when I come your side.
Idare,
person we don't stay for abroad. He carry Idare. He start to dey born for her. Idare want go do him mission now. He go say, you know they give me the money. You know they give me the money. If they send money to a papa, no, he come abroad for you. Make it come do single mother.
Idare get family, Idare get plans. So any woman, any single mother wey say na Idare be the best. You are in trouble. You set yourself for a fall because that Idare, if you want lock you properly, go you throw away one pikin way he himself just put for pocket for your body toy. Carry they go. After all, now you say you want. Carry. You know get it take you do. If now your brother be Idare, he call you for Nigeria saying don't hook up with one woman with 3 children. I bet my sister, what you go do? Only you where I know you go prophet, you go native doctor, you go. In fact, you go join society. May they help you kill that woman first.
Exactly.
If the woman not let you kill, you will kill her children so that the woman go talk to single by force.
This really single baby mamas with 3 fathers, they're not the really reason, eh?
They're not good.
You really be 3 fathers, 3 children. You go they look for person who just newly come abroad. The mama they ask.
I wonder for them.
A real husband to you, Shege Waka. You are really wicked. If not your son, you go.
Who is asking if we are encouraging abortion? If you are a man, make sure you never go to any woman without protection. You hear me, so? That's number 1. And number 2, the reason why I said let any woman who carry that kind of pregnancy should go abort it. If you're a single mother with 2 children, 2 father, or 3 children, 3 father, and then you happen to be pregnant, please run to abortion clinic and remove it. Do you understand? If you are a young girl, a married man trick you and pregnant you, and you get to know first 2-3 months that the man is lying to you, he has wife and family, run to abortion clinic and get rid of that pregnancy. Do you understand? Don't ruin your life because you don't want to abort the pregnancy. If you are here abroad, please don't hesitate to do it. If you're in Nigeria, think twice. But if you are here abroad, please don't give me any filthy excuse. Run to the hospital and get rid of that thing. If you know the man is lying to you under the first 3 months, you find out that the man is lying to you, go and get rid of it. If you are a fresh single girl, don't let any married man destroy your life with lies. Because once you born one pikin, my sister, you don't turn to second-hand property. Second-hand property. Now you don't become. No man will put tear rubber value for your body.
Second hand, after first child. After second with another man. That kind of second, I get as it be, no get value. If
no value again now.
Oh my
second
God.
Hand with one child, even they let year for year. But
second hand with one child, they are very good.
No, but let me still tell you, there are level of that type too. Me, I tell you the level where they for that kind of second hand though. Second hand way born for young boy way don't pan. My sister, he gets more value. Second hand way go born for another person, your husband. Your value. Tiri piki, tiri papa get value pass you. More than the year well. If you be young girl, you carry belly for young boy. If the boy leave you, you become second hand woman. No problem. Your value still get great small. Oh, now young boy, the boy was not ready for life. Everybody go here. But say you can't end up second hand with that woman husband and give you belly. My sister, you see that old man where they marry that Nigerian actress, that small girl. Now those kind of men, they go to visit your way. You know the man where they talk about Monica. Now those kind of old men, they go to visit your way because you will be so second hand that even keke na pep.
He said, what about the one we married before with 2 kids with 1 man?
That one talk, is good. That one.
I say first one, no be mistake. Second one, no be mistake. Now something to correct. But the third one ain't bad. So as you want marry again, after 2 for 1 man, make sure say na man we go come add value to your life. No be man we go still end up like your first one.
Yes.
That time, the man, he don't condemn your name. You not get value again.
Yes.
After 2 children, you go born another one again for another man wey run leave you. People just they look you like you no get sense. How will you do that? Now that time people come they ask you, say, what do you they look for? They go, you get 2 children, you still they go they look for picking where you want born. You understand? So if you already get 2 children, the next man that is coming, use it to correct the mistake of the first. Please. It's not children right now that is important. It's you. Have value to yourself, to your work. Because children are no longer your problem. You already have 2. Okay? Don't be say the first way you see man at all. I don't get belly. Like say you never felt born
and
before.
Also, as a woman, make sure you are not going to that man as a liability, because right now you already have responsibility.
Exactly.
You empower yourself. Make sure that man will not see you as no. Repair yourself to the extent that in fact, single girls can't even stand to your level. That's what you will do. And carry man way get work. Man way also repair himself. May you know go carry the one way that preacher man pray for, say, you want to marry, right? He say yes. Do you have a job? No. Are you going to school? No. Do you have a mortgage? No. Do you have a home? No. Okay, let me pray for you. No, go carry that kind of man, no. Because if not, we will come back to live video to come and pray. Father, Lord, save all those daughters of God. Oh my God. Must they left their husband house to
You know,
become.
one thing I notice about these people, this single
Mm,
mother of a thing,
mm,
single mother, anybody can become single mother if things don't work out. You
mm,
understand?
mm, mm, mm,
That is for the first one now, for the first stage. You understand?
mm,
The second stage, wetin dey make all these women fall a victim again and
mm.
become. I don't know whether they know even the reason and for themselves say they need something better, or these women don't need something better than where they are coming from, or they don't feel
Mm.
it like, oh, I don't know, like I've made mistake. Let me correct it.
And most of them, they feel that loneliness they felt for so long. The minute they see somebody, they just want something to fill it up. And by so doing, they forget themselves. And by so
Mm.
doing, they just needed, once they notice the man is slipping away, oh, this one might not stay. They need something to, to keep them busy. And that babies are one thing that really, really keeps you busy. That's why I think, I'm not sure, I think that's why they always do that. You know, they want someone, they can no longer do something for themselves, but they need something to occupy their empty space. They want to be busy, but they don't have sense to do something different, but rather just to take care of a baby. Someone to cry always, someone they should feed, someone stand up here and there, you know. I think
Now
that's why they
depression,
do it.
my lady, you have said it. Because some people depression, they try to be busy and tell they say I'm busy, but depression is there. They are just doing
Mm-hmm.
something, taking care of baby, but depression is there.
Justin Bieber was
Please,
about
guys, if you come out of
was
a relationship, try and balance yourself before giving a second chance. Don't give a third chance. Who needs? You don't
my
have to
brother,
give
you are crying
a
of
third
abortion.
chance by baby.
Justin Bieber was born in
How you
Europe
say
and
they
his
see
mom.
the comment where I don't delete? I don't delete the comment. Where how you say so?
Okay, still there. Justin Bieber, if he was aborted, wait, let me answer him since he's still watching. If Justin Bieber was aborted, when his mother gave birth to him, did you hear the mother started looking for cassava or another man to add to it? She hung on to that one and cherished it. She cherished that one. That is one thing about the white people. If you want to talk about Justin Bieber, when white people mistakenly have one child for one man, they will
They
hold
stop.
that one child
Mm-hmm.
like glass cup.
Yes.
They will not bring another one and add to it. They will so
Lie.
cherish it. They will make sure they nurse that one to the best of the best. But
Mm-hmm.
you see, we
Hey.
I
I,
want we start. I want they will
I,
start to add Jara.
Lolo, I say our own black hole. The first one, he just
Eh,
did a year and 6 months. He don't born for another man 3 months ago.
what are you
Another
talking?
man, oh, the pikin no dey even grow. Before all
My
these
brother,
days, I just
so
talk and I mean I know they repeat
don't
myself.
even go there. And my former
Single
neighbor where I
mother,
was
woman,
living,
we no
my
dey
former
husband
neighbor
house
when
again.
where I was living, she divorced from her man that she had just one child for 40 years.
Yes.
40 years that woman was alone with that one child. Your people go feed them.
For where I said the
Your people
people
go feed them.
after 6 months they
If
don't
you
get
tell my
belle for
friend, he go
another
say,
man
Lola, why they go? They take
immediately.
all those kind of people, they compare all those kind of people. You know, compare your people. Come on, Oprah, that is even a black woman. After her experience, do you see her near any man again? Oprah is even a black. But your people of nowadays, your women of nowadays, can they do that?
They cannot.
So my brother, I better carry that your abortion talk that I said, which I will say again and again and again. If probably do a video and put it on YouTube for you all to hear properly, I will do it. And I repeat, if you are pregnant, if you happen to get unwanted pregnancy, please go and abort it. Don't keep it and bring
Which
bastards into the world.
they don't even need this if they are smart enough. They don't
But
have
as they
to
are not
abort.
smart, what do you want me to
Go
say?
and put something.
How can a young,
Go
vibrant
and
girl
plan. Go
have
and do
4
family
children for 4
planning,
men?
ladies. Do
How can
family
a young girl
planning.
have 4
Person
children
wey
and
get
for
2
4 men?
children, no reach.
What are you talking about? 4 children for 4 men. Do you know
It's too
what that
much.
is?
It's
Means that
terrible. It's
one is going,
crazy.
the other one is coming, one is going, the other one is coming.
Exactly. How old they take senior each other? You no reach 1 year. Is that no?
So does
You
that
see
mean that
that
girl
girl?
can't stay for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years
Lolo,
without no man?
Lolo, you see that girl wey call me that day ni hurorua. Where don't they wake me with this rubbish talk? This girl just newly born. E never even reach 3 months where the man go. This lady don't they follow another person get belle for her. When
Can you
this man be
imagine?
come back now, the first man come back say, "Oh, sorry, me will come back." You don't already get another rubbish man. You can't drive that one. And at the end of the day, now this say second rubbish man come the rubbisher. Now she come they remember. Oh, now because of this one, make my first one come before he come. I don't get this one. What rubbish is that?
Can you imagine?
Those days, woman where husband leave, you go 9 years, 10 years, she still there.
Yes, now.
These days, if you just leave them 1 week, they don't carry person come their bed.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Please, African
Terrible,
women, let's love
terrible.
ourselves and add value to yourself. I call it self-respect.
Before
If you have
Uncle.
self-respect for yourself, and there are some certain things, your name will not be mentioned there at all. What's that rubbish?
We've done a lot of video, but you know, I think we have to start repeating all these videos again. We have done video on self-respect now. We have to start repeating all these videos again for people.
Have respect to yourself.
For people who are just joining the platform
when someone
now
is pushing you away, I did that video on my YouTube. I call it self-respect. When someone is saying, talk to the hand. This one is not about single mothers now. This one is about everybody. When someone is pushing you away, a friend is pushing you away, please go. Don't create drama, sin to call that person attention. Please go. If you call friend in the morning, she see the missed call, she not call you back. You call her in the afternoon, she see the missed call, she not call you back. Just know that they don't want you anymore. If you write them message, they don't call you back. Know that they don't want you anymore. If they start planning their life without you, please leave them alone. Don't start gossiping them. Don't start telling everybody what you have done for them before. They are ungrateful. They don't want you again. Accept it and mind your business. Please, you can share. Of course, share the video. You understand?
They don't know themselves. They don't understand. But anyway,
please,
when
people push you away, when people don't need you anymore, they give signs because everybody, not be everybody fit talking with mouth. They give signs. You call them, they don't pick. You write them, they don't answer on time. Even when they want to call you, they answer like, "I'll be busy. I'll be done to sleep. Take care. Tomorrow." They don't answer. You try to ask them, what of that thing where you told now still go you don't want talk, stay away, please. Not be the same. Even if you not come abroad the same day, you don't want you again. Please, let's respect that. When people push you away, stay away from them.
Including men, no? Including boyfriend, including baby father, including whatever. Once it tells you, I don't want you anymore, please carry your bag, waka. Stop hanging there and start burning and burning and burning. What is your problem? Men can't say no to kwekus. Once you give them, they go do. So it's your problem.
Please.
Who is this person? Leave me alone. Now, they owe you.
If they don't want you again, leave
don't call my
them.
name again. One more. If you call my name one more time, I will ask Monica to block you. Okay? Stop it now.
Even this Facebook friendship. Okay? If you notice people don't want you again, stay away. No go they worry them for nyash. Stay away. Stay on your platform. If people don't come to you, don't come to them. It's self-respect. It is called self-respect.
No, some people, some people.
Don't cause
Monica,
drama
help me to block this
everywhere.
person, please. This Temidare positive. I know I want to. Please help me to block the person. Biko, no, block him. I don't want to see his stupid comment anymore. He's disturbing my name since. I don't like when people call my name like that, okay? Please help me to block him. Enough of that bullshit. What's that?
Please, my people, I'm going to end this video now, and I want to end it with everyone knowing your self-worth. If a friend push you away, there was a time in my life, 3 years or 4 years ago.
Let me leave you and go and wash my face, and we'll talk when you close the video, okay?
Okay, darling, bye.
Bye, everybody. Good night.
Good night. 4 years ago, I get one friend. Everything was good, but suddenly I noticed she was cold. You know what I mean by cold? When I call, I don't get reply. Sometimes when I call, because I was so surprised, like, what is going on? So I try to call and call. Sometimes the children will even pick it and say, my mother is busy. And it has never happened before. I noticed and I just stopped. Until today. We never even get to tell why like that. It's like that. One can they do drama for mature adults try to step away from you. You just leave. Am I not still living my life since 4 years? Sure, I live my life as if he was never there. It's like that. My people, please. I don't know why if you try to tell some people, talk to the hand, I don't want you anymore. They start to look for drama. They start to like, I will deal with her. You don't need it. You don't need to deal with somebody who don't need you anymore. Maybe they just want to move on. You too, look for your way and just move on. Yeah, you keep yourself on such friendship. They don't need you anymore. You don't have to force yourself into people's hearts. If people love you, they will have time for you. They will create time for you. If they see your missed call, no matter the busy schedule, they want to call back. Check yourself if you not be like that. Me, if I love somebody, no matter the busy schedule, I must surely pick that person and say, I'm in so place, I'll call you back. But if I don't have interest, I will even be free lying down here. Your phone will ring from morning till night. I will not pick it. I don't have time. You understand? So try to know that when people need you, when people love you, they know how to create time for you. They know how to give it back to you, respect. They know how to treat you right. But when they don't need you anymore, they treat you with bullshit. And when you notice it, step away. You will not die. You not come abroad because of them. You not come this world because of them. They're not born on the same day. Even twins, whether they born the same day, everybody still they go their separate way. You understand? Don't always end your relationship with fights. If your relationship just want to end like that by staying away from each other, just stay away. Let it go like that. She doesn't call you anymore. Don't call her anymore. Okay? Please, let everyone know this. Even on Facebook, you see people fighting for irrelevant things. If she stop commenting for you anymore, and you guys used to be good friends, stop also. Stop. If he will give you peace, don't keep commenting rubbish on her. You still remind her, hey, and she still did not. Stay away from her. It's simple as that. Stay away from him. You be man, you dey talk to woman, all this here, they mind you for public. Leave her. Another woman there outside. Try to look well, you'll see another one. You be woman, you dey try to chase one man because you love am well. My sister, trust me, they not born that man for you. Say now only in one you go love. If you comot your eye from there, look another side, you love another person again. You understand? It's not worth dying for. Give yourself some self-respect. If someone don't need you, if you leave, don't even talk about to the person. Yes, don't even talk about the person at all. Just let it go like it was never there. Just Yeah, sometimes it wonders you like, this life. Yeah, that's all life be. Life they teach you new things all the time. You just say, this life, that's so it be. That's so it be. Don't finish. If you want to they narrate the person for, they give drama for, let everybody know. They see the way they leave you after everything. And so what of Jesus? We die for all. We all still we still the neglect at a point of life. So you call me, I call you. If you don't call me, you leave the person. Serve food, don't they beat person food. No drama about it, please. People should stop that. It's so simple. A friend who really love you will pick your call. Trust me, they know they give excuse. A man who really love you, still have interest in you, will see your missed call, he must call you back. Man will not get interest in you again. That's not the first sign to know they don't pick their call. When they see your number, they will never pick it because you are not that important to them. They just see and they are like, I beg, I don't fit talk. You know they do, me they do to people we are not getting interest on. You know, it can be woman just see the call say, I beg, I know because I don't get interest. You understand? Stay away. Except say you and that your friend now already understand how una they call each other. You know, say una not be person where they call every time. So now if you get time, you busy, go call me. Now so now they do. But if na friend who na fed they hang out, na fed they meet, na fed they go party, suddenly she just start. You bring cloth come, she say, this one I don't like her, no, this time I don't want sew again. But if you don't go sew your own, she can't go sew. Just know, say she don't want again. I buy rest. You understand? Rest. You go this place, she say, no, no. At the end, she follow other people. Rest. She don't want your company again. Rest. No drama, no fighting. Just know that life goes on. It's called self-respect. Please let us upgrade to self-respect. Not be everything go dey cause wahala fight for nothing again. Thank you so much. So women, three father, three children. We don't talk about since yes, so we make comment if that one is still your principle, you know. If not still be your principle, it no matter. Like me, I always appreciate everyone. If I have time, I always comment, but sometimes I'm busy and I can't respond to so much people. But those who still give to me, I appreciate. If you constantly say you don't give to me again, I don't go ask you. You understand? But if you love me, you won't even remember I did not give you. You see how it works. That is how it works. You to relationship issue. It's not love. Jesus gave us the blueprint. Never stay love until it is time for love to stronger than death. Let's do it God's way. Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys. Let me find some sleep. Weekend, we all enjoy it. So, good night, everyone.